Hey guys! So, I look exactly the same as what you may have seen, and that's because it's the same time. Today is our lucky last morning in Osaka, you could say. We are actually gonna go to Kyoto in the afternoon, but we're gonna go dump our bags and stuff at the, what's it called, the train station, in like a little holding cell kind of thing. We're gonna go check out Denden Town? Is it? Yeah, Denden Town. So they do like anime goods and stuff like that. We're gonna have something to eat and then kind of bum around a little bit because we can't check into our apartment in Kyoto until 3 p.m. We found an empty coin locker. Oh my god, that was a rarity. We should have guessed they would have been really busy at 10 a.m. We have to get a second one for our backpack, however, because it's too small. This is it, guys, our accommodation in Kyoto. We are number 301. Let's go. Slippers. So you're coming through the door. We have in here somewhere to place our shoes. You can see I've popped them in already. Here is the bathroom with our lovely super flash toilet. Oh yeah. So you come through, close that. Wow, here's our bed. And this is what the room looks like at a quick glance. The lounge area. Here's our table, which has that like heated blanket. I'm so excited to use this later. This is, I don't know, I was really looking forward to that, which is quite funny. And then you come through into our little like kitchenette. Oh, and bathroom. So here is the rest of the bathroom with one of these slidey doors, which looks lovely just for cleaning. Wow, looks good. And then out through here again is our mini kitchenette. It's cute, man. Little kettle. We have our fridge. And then here is the washing machine. Little space to put some bits and bobs. Ooh, toaster microwave. And yeah, that's the whole thing. So here's the view from the corner of the kitchen. You can see Craig relaxing. He's been lugging around our huge bag all weekend. Oh, and then let's have a look outside. I mean, it's thin, but look how big it is. Oh my lord. So let me show you the view. Can you see it? So we're looking right down on this crossing, which is really cool, man. And then here it is. We can see the mountains, or I suppose hills, way in the background. Do you see how beautiful? You can spot out some cherry blossom trees. So this Airbnb comes with free bikes for you to be able to take around. So Craig's chosen silver, I have black. They have bells, they have fabulous little baskets. super bright and early on our first full day here in Kyoto. So we have plans to take our bikes out this morning. We're gonna go check out this like cherry blossom cove. I don't know, it looks like it was an old train way. As you can see, super bright and sunny, so I'm gonna whip on my hat. And yeah, we're gonna go for a hoon on our bikes, I suppose. Craig is gonna get 2 of our favorite coffees. Yum, yum, yum. And they're hot, man. Hot coffee in a can, honestly. So good. Mine's like the furthest away. I think we are just gonna hang around the hotel some more, relax a little bit, and then we'll probably go back out in the afternoon for some like casual street wandering on our own legs. And yeah man, check out what there is to see. So yakitori was a weeny bit mediocre tonight. We decided to get some munchies from Lawson's. You can see some of it here. Good old chocolate pie. This one has apple. This looks like chocolate. This looks like more chocolate. Craig got chocolate milk as well. Possibly chocolate milk. It says milk protein, so he'll soon find out. I got this one, strawberry yogurt. And yeah, that was our haul. Oh, and Craig got like a soft bun that's warm, some kind of savory bun.
Steamed bun.
Steam bun. Another full day in Kyoto. So tomorrow we have lots planned. It'll be lots of fun. We're going to check out the Rilakkuma cafe, for which I'm super excited. But yeah, that was all for today. So as always, thank you for watching, and I do hope that you might join me tomorrow. Bye!